This is how you can hide your Facebook profile without using the lock feature. I've already made a video about how you can lock your Facebook profile with the lock feature, but this lock feature is not available to everyone and to every country. It's yours, it's not available, you can still lock or hide your Facebook profile. When you hide your Facebook profile, people will not be able to see all your posts. People you follow will not be shown. Your likes, your stories will not be made visible to other people. You can send them to only me feature. So let me show you how you can lock your Facebook profile or hide your Facebook profile without the lock feature. Log into your Facebook profile, tap on your profile picture. Just beside the edit profile are three dots. Click on the three dots. Next, view privacy shortcuts. Here, we are heading to take a privacy checkup. This is where you can control who sees what you share on Facebook and manage data that help to personalize your experiences. Take a privacy checkup. You'll be guided through some settings so you can make the right choices for your account. So, what topic do you want to start with? Do you want to hide or lock who can see what you share? Simply type here who can see what you share, from your profile information to the posts and stories you share and to people you blocked. So we are clicking continue. If you want people to see your email, you can tap here to set it at only me. If you want to hide your email from your friends, set it at only me. This will be set at only me. Your friends will not be able to see your email. If you want to hide your birthday, simply set it at only me. The same thing with your relationship, the friends and following. You can set who can see your friends list on your profile. You can set them to only me. Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. You can set them to only me. This way, other people will not be seeing who you follow, your relationship, your birthday, your email. It will be locked. Click on next. You can set your stories. You can limit the past posts you made. If you want to limit it, simply click on limit. If you want a default audience, simply click here and set it to your default audience. Who do you want to share whatever you post with? Is it your friends or friends except? You can set them here. Next, we are going back. Let's get back to how to keep your account secure. So I will select this. How to keep your account secure. We'll take you through some steps to help protect your account. You can turn on login alerts. Your password is okay. You can turn on two-factor authentication. So click on continue. Turn on alerts on Facebook or email. Where do you want to get your alerts? Is it on Facebook? They will send you a Facebook notification or an email. The next privacy checkup is how people can find you on Facebook. How do you want people to find you? We'll walk you through the options to make sure your settings are right for you. From your friend request to phone number and email and search engines. Click continue. You are in control of who can send you friend requests. So here you will select who can send you friend request. Is it everyone or friends of friends? So guys, this is how you can hide or lock your Facebook profile even if you don't have the lock feature active. You can also lock your Facebook profile. This way people will be able to see your posts. They can't see who you follow, your likes, your shares. It will not be visible to everyone. You can set it to only me or friends or whatever setting you want it to be. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.